welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. If this is your first time going to watch my video, and today I have an unboxing of an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and I went into T-Mobile and got me an iPhone 12 for this was kind of like what I got for Christmas, and I was like, I have to do a real life unboxing with y'all. So yeah, this is it. Oh my god, I'm so excited, like super excited. So I'm also going to be doing like a comparison with my iPhone 6 and my Samsung S6 Edge, right? Like a comparison, more of the size, you know, to kind of attest to the size and anything else. So yeah, this is it. So I already went ahead and got it set up in the T-Mobile store. So yeah, it's pretty much being set up like halfway. Okay, I haven't set up the rest of the things that I need to do in order for me to get started. So this is really like, you know, my first time impression. I haven't like opened it to see, but I also got some accessories as well. But anyways, this is the phone. Oh god, oh god. Yep. So this is pretty much it. So this is what you need to look out for. This is the box. Yeah, so the seal has already been taken off. I know it came in like a seal that you just pretty much pulled out at once. So yeah, this is it. Let's go ahead and open it. Right, and here you go. So this is it, right? The iPhone, like look at all that camera lens. Like, okay, I've heard so much about the camera quality of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I feel like that's what I was pretty much excited about the most. So you can see like all those lens right here, about 3 or 4 of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the back. I think this is this the silver or the black? Anyway, so this is what it looks like. This is like the side. Then you have this. It's really like a huge phone compared to the other phones that I was using before now. So it's pretty huge. So it has like the size right here, if you see this. So like it reminds me of like the old iPhones. This is the iPhone 5. And anyway, it comes with this charger, like the cord, but it doesn't come with like a power box. I don't know why it didn't come with like a power box. That's not just the part that I'm wondering. I'm like, why doesn't it have like is it a power box? Is it the charger box? So it doesn't come with a charger box, okay? It just comes with the cord, the power cord, and no charger box. So I guess, and the funny thing is, I'm aware that the charger box has, you know, it's the same charger box that the iPhone 11 and above use. So I'm like, what if you never had like an iPhone 11 and you're just buying this for the first time? So then you have to go back and invest in a charger box, which I did, and that cost, you know, another set of box. Like I can't remember if it was $30 or $40, but yeah. So this is pretty much it. This is what it comes in. So it's really compact, and I like the fact that it's really compact and all that. But the only part I don't like is that it didn't come with like the charger box, like I said. So this is you can see the power cord. I haven't used it. So it also comes with this. I assume this is like the manual, right? And I know that I have seen other unboxing, and I've seen that it has like this sticker thing. So let me go ahead and just open it. I'm doing this right. Okay, so I'm just supposed to bring it out. No big deal. So it has like this, I think this is the Apple sticker. Now what is this? Please let me know in the comment section what this is. And yeah, so this is like this is the manual, right? The charger, and then it comes with the Apple sticker. Yep, so that's about it. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna be doing like a real life comparison of, you know, my previous phone, which is the iPhone 6. Yes, so this is like the size, right? So you can see how like huge it is. I feel like it's such a big phone, right? So I feel like this is like how many inches? I would say this is like an inch, about an inch difference. So you know how big the phone is. So just imagine like the iPhone 6 and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so you can see like the difference in the sizing. So that's pretty much it. Then I went ahead and got myself an accessory as well. So I got myself this phone case, this iPhone 12 Pro Max case that I'm gonna be packing it on screen. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cute, right? And they didn't have like variety in like the phone supply store close to me, but this was just the only one that caught my eyes. I thought it was really pretty. It's purple and shimmery, really cute, right? Then this is like the charger. Like I was saying that it didn't come with like it didn't come with like a charger box, so I went and got this charger box as well to go with it. I don't know why they wouldn't, but you guys can see for yourself, like there's really no charger box. I'm like, what happened to phones back in the days? I know that phones used to put like all the AirPods, like the headpiece, they will put like, you know, the earpiece for you, they'll put in the charger box. You know that you're buying like a complete kit. And the funny thing is that these phones are not, you know, they are not cheap, you know, they're not inexpensive, they're pretty much up there. And I feel like the more you're upgrading, you should even be putting more accessories for us to even kind of, you know, play with. But now I just feel okay. So it just coming with it just comes with the manual and the charger box and then the phone, and that's pretty much it, you know. So anyway, without blabbing too much, I went and got the charger box like I said, and then I'm just gonna be putting it on screen for you so you guys can see. So this is the phone, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think this is the black, right? Or is this the silver, right? So just putting it in. It's pretty straightforward, no fuss, and there you go. So this is the phone, right? Really cute. So I'm just gonna be powering it on right now. Like I already said, it's pretty much been set up. So the ones that haven't been set up before now, I know you would see like hola or, you know, hello and all that. But like I said, in the T-Mobile store, they pretty much did like, you know, mostly transferring like my apps and data and information and all that. That took them about, I think, an hour. I had to, you know, come back in an hour for them to do all the transfer and stuff, because I was like, I'm not about to give myself a headache with all that transferring. Like that pretty much frustrates me anytime I have to change my phone. That's one of the reasons why I'm like, nah, like the whole hustle and bustle of transferring your data and your information, it can be a lot to me. I know to some it's like a walk in the park, but you know, it's pretty much, yeah, intense. So that's about it. I feel like it's such a cool phone. Like I love how, you know, it slicks up, like you just swipe it up, you get all your apps right there. It's really sleek. I love it. I feel like I'm in love with it, and this is coming from an Android user. So yeah, I love it. I'm just gonna like go ahead and test the camera, and then we'll see what the camera quality is like and what all the hype is about. And I'm gonna be inserting a picture that I took with this camera, so we're just gonna be seeing what that looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and take a picture. Okay, I feel like I was supposed to be showing you guys what I'm doing, but anyways, I'm trying to take a picture, right? So this is the picture I took. I feel like it's cool. I like it. I just think it's a huge phone. And anyway, let's see how it goes. So that's about it for this video. This was really like a quick video, and I just wanted to just come and do it real time, let you guys know what the deal is. And I'm still going to be, you know, doing a few more reviews on how it's going and all that. But anyways, I've blabbed too much. I feel like that's about it. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys, and bye.